Okay, so here's a quick video on how to make an origami frog. We start with an A4 piece of paper. Just gonna fold it one corner across the side like that, so we get a triangle. And then just going to cut along this line here. Doesn't have to be super neat, super straight, just getting the basic shape. Okay, open that up so we have a square. Fold this in half. Okay, so you can either continue from this point with this shape as folded over, or if you want to use the paper to make two frogs, cut it in half again. So I'm just going to use it twice. Okay. First thing with this is to take the top corner, fold it over to the right side, and flatten. Okay, and then unfold so we have a crease. Take the right corner, fold it over the left side. Again, flatten. So we now have a cross going across the middle. Pull the sides in whilst flattening it out at the top, so you get a triangle shape. So it should look like this underneath. Just make it level and then flatten that as well. Okay. Take the bottom of the paper and fold it up to the bottom of the triangle. Take one of the little legs here and fold it about halfway so it points upwards, and then flatten. Take the right leg and again fold it up halfway so it's pointing upwards. Okay. Take this whole side and fold the left over the right. Then get the entire left side and fold it so it goes into the middle and flatten. Take the legs over to the left side and do the same on the right. So fold it straight over and flatten it. And then put the legs back to where they were, so one on the left, one on the right. And you can see we've got a bit of an overlap now where the legs are slightly longer than the body. Take the bottom edge and fold it up again to the bottom of the triangle and flatten. And what you want to do is from this fold upwards, take the left corner and fold it down into a triangle there, and then take the right corner and fold it down into a triangle as well. Oh, so we've got another pointy up bit. We're then going to unfold that. So again, we got some creases. And then what we want to do is on the inside is take this pointy bit here and pull it out. So that crease we've made opens up and comes out like that. And then the same on the right. Open it up. And then we want to flatten it down. So hold these two bits out, push down and flatten. So you end up with like that. Then take the left leg and fold it down. Take the right leg, fold that down. So we've got them both pointing down now. Take the left and fold it across this crease here. So it's like the top, we do a halfway fold so the foot points to the left. And then again on the right, fold it to the crease so the foot points outwards. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but you end up with this cross pattern with the legs. Now we fold the body from the central point, we fold it in half. So go straight at the middle of the body, and press down, then fold it back down again, halfway down, so you can see I've gone halfway through this rectangle, and then again press down, and there you have a frog. Some nice hopping.